Hello everyone. This video will help you understand how to use Survey123. The first thing to do is to download the Survey123 app. To download the app, go to the App Store and type in Survey123. And press the install button. When you open the app, you'll be asked to log into your ArcGIS account. If you do not have an ArcGIS account, you can get access to the survey by going to your browser and type in the following link. Tap Open in the Survey123 Field app to open the survey. When on the login screen, tap Continue without logging in, which will bring you to the Collect Data page. To exit out of this page, press the X button on the upper left page and press Close and Lose Changes. This will bring you to the Select a Survey screen. Tap on Iowa Water Science Quality app. You'll see two options, which are Collect and Inbox. Collect will allow you to enter data in a new location, and Inbox will allow you to add data to a location with existing data. When you finish entering data in the Collect page, you'll see the Edit option next to the Collect and Inbox options. When you select the Collect option, the first thing you need to do is to set up the location. If GPS is on, the location should be approximately close to your location. You can tap the button next to the coordinates to set the site location to your location. However, the accuracy of the phone GPS may be a problem. The best way to guarantee the accuracy of the site location is to tap the map, which will allow you to drag the location to the appropriate place. You can change the base map by pressing the base map button and choose the type of base map. Press the check mark on the bottom right of the screen to finish setting up the location. The next thing to do is to enter the remaining information of the survey. When you are ready to submit the survey, press the check mark on the bottom right corner and select Send Survey. The Inbox option allows you to add data to the sites. However, you may not be able to use the Inbox option if you don't have an ArcGIS account. If you are able to use this option, press the Map button and press the Refresh button. You can press the GPS button to show your location. You can zoom in and press the site to start the data entry. The data entry in the inbox option is similar to the collect option. I will back out of the inbox page to avoid any unwanted edits. Hopefully this video helps you understand how to use Survey123. Have a great day and good luck.